Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Rotary Club Jowai ha ka Southrik unai wing kala penlong Ïakynduh lang ha ka jingidon lang u Rotarian Nilesh Kumar Agarwal District Governor RID Laipu R Sapho ha ka jingilang ga balalong ha Infinity Conference Hall Muralong ha ka ni ka Ïakynduh lang u Rotarian DF Majau PHF ubalong kumu Master of Ceremony but layo kintian pedang borom na Rotarian Rudolph E lalu PHF RC Jowai kintin I'm in same no district assistant governor na lor kiway Rotarian de bormi toy president ka Rotary Club Jowai uliyat ho yakathong trekam jong ka Rotary International kiba syong perkhat sani bhad ki reo perkhat jong ka Rotary International kiba kintop ka community service environment education health sanitation but kiway kiba day but ka bha kamiat ka imlang ka sa lang jong ki reo badru kinong syong Rotarian Nilesh Kumar District Governor belalong kumukongsan haba ajing keren hakani ka sengi ulapan pau yi jing sngongo burom yi ka Rotary Club Jowai but ula kintu yi Dkhot bandon ka mensim yi trailang but sngo trai ka seng kanang banla ban le ishibun ki kam nakabenta ki imlang ka salang kintup nadu ban kintiu yi ka puli puthi ka jingkhia ka jingyada ban penne pensa yi ki saudong saukun jong ka mei mariang na lor ki wei pan Shishu la ongru ke jing penlong ye ke jing yalang perkhat kam na kapor kadai ke badan kam bha but ke jing shim benta hagi program ba pher jong ke Rotary Club hagi wei ki jaka kaya rap ban tip but shampang ban trei ye ki kam kat kum ke jing dawa jong ke juk bat kapor
extended beyond his Rotary years when he became the charter president of the Rotary Club of Greater Tezpur. He continued his dedication towards the Rotary movement by serving the district in various Friends of Tribal Society and Red Cross Society, to name a few. Nilesh Agarwal is married to Lakshmi, a law graduate. Lakshmi is a social entrepreneur and also a social activist.
Of Rotarian attend one convention, and then House of Friendship you will see what world is big, so good. You can join hands with them for doing good.
Guide me and call me all the times. How to move forward for the with the Rotary works. And
Rotary is Rotary of a purpose. Yes. So we need to motivate ourselves. Otherwise, we will not reach the goals. We may have many targets, but that target will not reach. Thank you so much for being with us, and we hope.